Here we have this BMW, and we have removed the steering wheel buttons. In this case, this the volume button over here was loose. As you drive, it would rattle. So to fix it, there's a couple of things that I'm thinking is just now that I've removed it. One solution might be to actually add a little bit of grease in this channel right here, and there, because grease is so thick, it would stop this from rattling, and it's just not gonna leave it much room. The problem with that is that I'm not quite sure how long that will last. The other option that I'm thinking is, and that's what I am going to do in this case, is to use a heat gun. I have a heat gun here, and carefully heat the back of it and open these sides a little bit. As I open these sides, they're going to, when I reinsert the button in here, it's going to press against these side walls, and what that will do is it will create enough resistance so that the buttons are not rattling. Now this is a little bit more dangerous than adding a tiny bit of grease right on these sides here, but I just feel like this will be more of a permanent solution than the previous option. So I'll go ahead and do that. You just want to be careful that you don't overheat these too much, because if you do, it'll get deformed and it'll be useless and you'll need a new button. As you can see there, it can still move easily, but it's not as loose as it was previously. So that should take care of the rattle.